Hi, everybody! Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel for learning and fun, the one and only Nature Kids. Today, we'll be covering the grade 9 syllabus for health and physical education. The topic for today's lesson is Let us build a healthy society. So, without further ado, let's get started with the lesson. Now, let us build a healthy society. You are an important part of your family, school, and society. As you grow, your social circle expands. Early on, your family and school shape you. Later, the wider community will influence you and you'll contribute to it. So, you need the skills to improve community health. Earlier, you learned about promoting health at home and school. Now, we'll explore what affects community health and how we can help to improve it. Now, let's learn about our community. Our community consists of people around us and our environment. There are different among individuals in a community. However, their basic needs are the same. It is the duty of us to ensure the needs of all members of our community are fulfilled. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, you can see differences among the members of a community, like age, religions, likeness and dislikes, occupations, stuff like that. Anyway, you guys have to study them. So, good luck. Now let's learn about health of the individual. Health is the state of being free from disease and disability and having physical, mental, social, and spiritual well-being. Physical health. The state of being free from disease and being physically fit. Mental health. The ability to face challenges successfully and be productive and happy member of the society. Social health. The ability to maintain healthy relationships. Spiritual health. To have a meaning in life and be able to maintain healthy relationships. I hope you guys have all of this. If you guys have all of this, that means you're actually a healthy person. Good job on that. Anywho, in healthy community, each member has a good physical, mental, social, and spiritual health. Now, benefits of maintaining good interpersonal relationships. I call these two the two Qs. So you guys have to study the two Qs. The first Q is widen social network, reduces loneliness, able to share knowledge, better security, develops communication skills, gets support when making decisions. The second Q is moral development, associating with groups that have positive influence, develops healthy ways of thinking, does not engage in antisocial activities, engages in religious activities, and engages in social welfare. So you guys do not write two Qs on your paper. You have to write the correct name. If they ask what are the type of groups, benefits of maintaining good interpersonal relationships are divided into, do not write the two Qs. You are not getting marks. I just told you guys that way because it's kind of easier to remember. Taking care of both our environment and our own health is essential for the well-being of society. So issues connected to personal health or the environment are really community health issues. Some of the most important community health issues are given below. Environmental pollution, communicable and non-communicable diseases, use of alcohol, tobacco and other drugs, accidents and disasters, abuse and exploitation. Now we're going to learn about environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is the process that makes the environment unsuitable for humans and animals to live in. It changes the natural condition of the environment. Environmental pollution is mainly caused by human activities, and can lead to health problems. Aspects of environmental pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land/soil pollution, and noise pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is the change in atmospheric composition due to the contamination with toxic or harmful substances. Air pollution results in disease of respiratory tract, cancers, and skin problems. Now we have water pollution. Water pollution is the change in the natural composition of water due to the contamination by toxic or harmful substances. Water pollution results in cholera, diarrhea, skin problems, mosquito-borne diseases, allergies, cancers, renal diseases. Next we have land pollution. Land pollution is the degradation of land so that it is no longer usable. When the land becomes unclean, it results in breeding of mosquitoes and flies, spread of diseases, loss of soil nutrients, landslide, and other natural disasters. Next we have sound pollution. Actually, we guys are actually a master of doing sound pollution. We talk and shout all the time, but sometimes it can be a little too loud. Anywho, sound pollution is the emission of sounds at harmful intensities. Sound pollution can result in hearing problems, stress, difficulty in concentration, and loss of tranquility. Now we have causes of environmental pollution and how we can stop it. For causes we have destruction of forests, improper disposal of garbage, chemicals and other non-degradable waste released from factories, burning coal, fossil fuels, plastic and polythene, haphazard use for agrochemicals, large-scale, unregulated construction. To how to stop it, we have preservation of forests, proper management of garbage, enacting laws to prevent environmental pollution, follow proper standards in the use of agrochemicals, ensuring standards when constructing buildings. Now we have not such a fun part. It's when we get sick. And we get sick a lot. Well, some of these diseases are really hard to get. Well, they don't actually spread from one person to another, so it's actually kind of hard to get, but still people get it. Anywho, let's see what communicable and non-communicable diseases are. Communicable diseases are illnesses that spread from an infected person to another person. These are the diseases that are really easy to get. Examples include dengue, malaria, diarrhea, tuberculosis, and sexually transmitted diseases. Non-communicable diseases do not spread from one person to a person. These are the diseases I told that are not easy for you to catch. Examples include hypertension, diabetes, mental illnesses, cancer, and stroke. Illness can cause many problems such as disability, reduced activity, shorter lifespan, and mental stress. It can also affect education, work, daily life, and the economic condition of individuals and the country. Illness can be prevented by maintaining good hygiene, getting immunized, treating diseases early, keeping the environment clean, and following a healthy lifestyle. Use of tobacco and related drugs. Use of tobacco and drugs causes many social and health problems. They can lead to heart diseases, respiratory illnesses, cancers, crimes, conflicts, antisocial behavior, family problems, mental and physical issues, and a shorter lifespan. Passive smoking means inhaling smoke from other smokers, which can also cause illnesses. Smoking during pregnancy can harm the fetus. Therefore, smoking should be banned in public places and offenders should be penalized. To prevent tobacco and drug use, we should educate people about their harmful effect, enforce laws, be aware of media influence, rehabilitate users, and encourage sports and cultural activities. Now we're going to learn about accidents and disasters. Accidents and disasters can happen anywhere. Home accidents, road accidents, animal attacks, occupational injuries, food poisoning, and sports injuries are examples for accidents. Floods, droughts, tsunamis, and wars are examples for disasters. Accidents and disasters can cause injuries, illnesses, mental disasters, property damage, environmental pollution, and even death. We can prevent accidents and disasters by learning their causes, taking precautions, and following safety rules. Knowing first aid and proper response methods can reduce their harmful effects. Abuse and cautions. Abuse is behavior that harms a person and goes against accepted social values. Caution means forcing or threatening someone to take part in harmful or antisocial activities. We should work to eliminate abuse and caution from society. Everyone should develop the skills needed to protect themselves and avoid harming others. Examples of abuse and caution include sexual abuse, employing underage children as domestic workers, verbal abuse, neglect, and physical or mental abuse. These can lead to illness, mental distress, sexually transmitted diseases, unwanted pregnancies, and even danger to life. Victims of abuse or caution can seek help from institutions such as Department of Probation and Child Care and Children and Women's Bereavement Desk at police stations. These institutions provide protection and keep information confidential. Now we're going to learn about community health promotion. Community health promotion helps people improve their health by controlling the factors that affect it. Through community health promotion, we can prevent environmental pollution, diseases, tobacco and drug use, accidents and disasters, and abuse or exploitation. Life skills that we have learned can also help us take part in these activities and promote better health in the community. Now let's see what these community health promotion activities are. We have 5 themes, which can be used to promote the health of our family and our school. We can use the themes for our community health promotion. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, we have 5 themes. So first we have develop policies which promote health, create health environments, stuff like that. So all you guys have to do is just well, these are only 5 themes. There's a lot of themes, but we have only 5 themes to study. So study them if you want to survive your term test. That's all for today, guys. Make sure to put a like and a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribing makes me happy. Anywho, that's all for today. So it's your favorite YouTube channel, Nature Kids, signing off. Bye.